Objective number 7, the quotient rule. If function f and g are differentiable, then the derivative of the quotient f and g is g of x times derivative of f of x minus f of x times derivative of g of x divided by g of x squared. I'm not going to do the proof for this one, and I will do the example number 12. We will apply this rule for problem 12 because problem 12 we have a quotient. So to find y prime, so you can think about the top is like f of x and the bottom is g of x. Then we apply the rule. So we write out g of x again. Then the derivative of multiply the derivative of f of x minus f of x times the derivative of g of x. And then in the bottom we have g of x squared. Now we need to simplify this. So x cubed plus 6 times the derivative of the polynomial. So we just take the derivative of 1 by 1. So 2x plus 1 minus 0. So we got 2x plus 1 minus x squared plus x minus 2. Derivative of x cubed is 3x squared plus constant 6, 0 for the derivative. And in the bottom we got x cubed plus 6 square. Now we will open parentheses and then we will combine like terms. So we have 2x to the 4 plus x cubed plus 12x plus 6 minus 3x to the 4 minus 3x cubed minus 6x squared divided by x cubed plus 6 to the second power. So we see that we have like terms, so we can combine a little bit. So we have x to the 4, x to the 4. We have x cubed and x cubed. And that's it, right? So we have negative x to the 4 minus 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 6. And divided by x cubed plus 6 square. And we don't really have anything more to do, so that is the answer. So you noted that the function f of x equal x squared plus 2 square root of x divided by x. We may think right away we should apply the quotient rule, but actually if we can do this step, we simplify first before we take the derivative. It will give us easier time. So we will separate the x like this. Okay, then we simplify, so we got 3 plus 2. So we will do subtraction, right? So 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Then we take the derivative. So it means the derivative of 1 by 1. So the derivative of the constant 3 is 0. The derivative of 2x to the negative 1/2. So you can think about to move 2 to the front. And we have the power rule. It's applied similarly. If we learned before is the derivative of x to the n. We move n down and then x to the n minus 1. So if we have n exponent negative, then it's just working the same way as you move negative n to the front and then the exponent negative and minus 1. Okay, so we have 2, and then which is 2 is moved to the front already. Now move down the exponent negative 1/2, and then x, the exponent decrease 1. Okay, so we can simplify the number, and we got x is negative 3/2, or negative 1/x 3/2. So when you do this way, it's much better than apply the quotient rule. Apply the quotient rule is a lot. Just similar like example 12. Okay, so it means that if we can able to simplify first, and then to see what is the result, then we apply the rule next.